Throughout this site, crap is used tremendously. The C is shown through the colors orange and green, which are the contrast of each other. R, repetition, shows Callaway Gardens throughout the site. The alignment is in the middle for better reading. And P, proximity, is of all the things that are grouped together throughout the site. Typography is used through the pairing of fonts, sizes, and font types, and also grids. Color is great because it is contrasted and it is inviting to others. There are many bright colors throughout this site. Navigation is easy to use. The site provides a menu at the top that you can also go home by pressing the Callaway Gardens logo at the top. About, blog, and more is located at the bottom of the site. Interference and layout is great. It is easy to lead and follow and has no dead end pages. This site overall is great.